Ever pondered how to attract more eyeballs to your YouTube content? Let me guide you through the mysterious and enthralling world of YouTube SEO strategies. They're not just any ordinary strategies, they're game changers. Picture this: the ability to influence and exponentially increase your channel's viewership and popularity. Sounds enticing, right? But you might ask, how exactly does this work? Well, prepare yourself for a fascinating adventure. There exists a world full of secrets, intricate strategies, and powerful tools that, when mastered, will entirely transform your approach towards YouTube. These are not just mere secrets. They're the keys to a kingdom of endless possibilities, a world where your content is not just but celebrated. A world where each upload you make sets a new benchmark. A world where you're not just a content creator but a trendsetter. But how do you gain access to this world? That's the journey we're about to embark on. As we venture into the uncharted territory of YouTube SEO, we leave you at the cusp of this thrilling journey. Are you ready to unravel the secrets of YouTube SEO? Stay tuned and prepare to be amazed. Welcome to our deep dive into the heart of YouTube SEO. What is it, you ponder? Simply put, it's the smart use of techniques to ensure your videos and channel get discovered by the numerous users searching on YouTube. Think of it as a beacon, guiding viewers directly to your content. Imagine YouTube SEO as your GPS, effortlessly leading potential viewers through YouTube's crowded network, guiding them to the treasure trove of your content. If you aim to boost views and gain subscribers, mastering YouTube SEO is crucial. YouTube, a massive platform, can spread your content far with the apt SEO strategies, reaching beyond your typical audience. Optimizing keywords, titles, descriptions, and tags can effectively steer YouTube algorithm to showcase your videos to a broader audience. Now let's delve into YouTube SEO. With the correct strategies, your content could reach unprecedented heights. SEO is not merely a tool, but a rocket ship launching your content into YouTube's vast expanse. So buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. Are you set to surge your views with MH Digital Media? Great, then you're in the right place. We have a comprehensive guide, brimming with straightforward step-by-step SEO tactics that can help you do just that with MH Digital Media. Our journey begins with keyword research, the cornerstone of all SEO efforts with MH Digital Media. This is the process of identifying the precise words and phrases that your target audience searching for content that fits into the same niche as yours. Think about your audience. Consider what they're looking for, what they're interested in, especially when it comes to MH Digital Media. Reflect on the search terms you would use when seeking out your own video. But it's not just about identifying those keywords, it's about understanding their relevance, their value in the context of MH Digital Media. It's about diving deep into the search volumes and the competition levels. It's about using to understand the data and make informed decisions. This is a crucial first step to building an effective SEO strategy for your MH Digital Media content. From there, we move on to discussing how you can optimize your MH Digital Media video titles and descriptions. Now, video titles aren't just the first thing your viewers see. They're one of the most important ranking factors on YouTube. Your title needs to be engaging and loaded with your primary keywords. But remember, it's not just about stuffing keywords. It's about maintaining a balance in the realm of MH Digital Media. It's about creating a title that is both SEO friendly and viewer friendly. Speaking of viewer friendly, let's your MH Digital Media videos description. It's a place where you can provide more details, elaborate on the content, and of course incorporate those vital keywords. But again, make sure it sounds natural and isn't merely stuffed with keywords. Make it easy to read, make it appealing, and most importantly, make it informative about your MH Digital Media content. Finally, let's broach the subject of fostering viewer engagement with your MH Digital Media content. This isn't limited to just the number of likes, comments, or shares your video secures. It extends to the number of subscriptions, the amount of time viewers spend watching your video, and even the frequency of repeat views. All of these interactions help to boost your MH Digital Media videos ranking. Therefore, create captivating content, pose thought-provoking questions, encourage discussions, and stimulate comments. Now let's put these tactics into action with your MH Digital Media content. Apply these strategies, these tips, and these insights to your advantage. With determination and commitment, there's no doubt you'll witness your MH Digital. Understanding the importance of implementing the SEO strategies we've shared can't be overstated. It's time to act. Harness the power of the SEO tactics we've discussed and watch your views soar. You're just a few SEO adjustments away from a significant increase in views. So what's stopping you? Leverage these tips now and notice the difference. Your engagement matters to us, so hit like, share, and subscribe to MH Digital Media. Don't miss our future content full of valuable advice. Until the next video, keep those views rising.